11/21/2020. Happy Thanksgiving week coming up to everybody. Most importantly is how you make money. Daily chart, PantherQuant trading app. We take a look at the S&P top. We take a look at the history once again of where key reversals had happened at market tops. Great rallies, presidential rally, gap up, gap up, gap up, gap up, reversal, presidential gap, lower high reversal. This is a daily, and it's pure mathematics at its very finest on the S&P. Now, let us just tell you something about PantherQuant. It's never wrong, and the thing about it is, mathematically, is the blue line is a 10-day moving average, but that right here is where that diamond was, and we closed out on the daily. You could see where we had that relief rally with a failure. We come back, we test the major part of where the pullback was to the half bar daily support levels with the double diamond algorithm tops to the reversal. Now, having said all of that and whatnot, S&P still ended down 24.433 as it did. One of the other things that we were looking at very carefully was that volatility index called the fear indicator, the VIX, and we talked a lot about it. It ticked up. It was up 0.59, 2.55 plus percent on the fear indicator that's related to the S&P 500. Having said that, we always take a look at the previous daily half bar resistance levels, rather going up or down mathematically, and what we see mathematically, not by opinion or TV or no, it's pure mathematics in the PantherQuant system on the daily S&P 500. So we look at the previous half bar reversals and what they were and where we're at. So currently, when we pull up in depth of this part of the rally and we pull up really in depth and we look at where the diamond gap in the PantherQuant trading app showed how the algorithmic or algorithms used in the exchange model were working overtime and where the trends actually ended up with it all. And we're below the 10-day moving average on the S&P 500 as we speak. Other things that we want to be very clear about is that mathematically the MACD, which is an indicator that the public chartists use in the public retail world, is that has been declining as we have had that reversal, and it has. So when we take a look at where the gap rallies start, they have to be filled. Now, with Thanksgiving holiday weekend, it's going to work one of two ways, my friends, to all of my option traders out there, to all of our subscribers worldwide, to everybody that counts. You all count. Take the free 5-day trial. PantherQuant trading app will put you and your account where you want to be in life. All you have to do now is redeem your ticket and move forward. Take accountability. You owe it to yourself. Not only that, the math will never ever lie. It can't lie. It's not a human being. It's pure mathematics in price movement up, price reversals, tops, gaps, sequence, mathematical gap sequences, the formulas that we have within the gaps in the PantherQuant trading system has all the answers for you. And all of your answers will be answered with the PantherQuant trading app. Take the free 5-day trial. This is the S&P 500. It is the Saturday update. the weekly update to let you know where you're at. Now, one of two things will happen. Either they gap it up on Monday and they run it straight up going into the 3.5 days. It's a short holiday week. I will update on Sunday night to all traders what that will look like and what the price action in those 3.5 trading days in that holiday week. And once again, it's our privilege to bring to you that free trial that can redeem. You can redeem your free trial ticket now and see it. You can see it live. Don't be afraid of the results. They're going to be real, all right. And they're going to be done right in front of your face. Oh, yes, they are. And that includes the entry and the exit. So, yes, they will. And you can witness it. And not only that, how about this? Be part of making money with it. How about that? Is there anything wrong with making money with it? No, there's not. Take accountability and responsibility. You owe it to yourself. See it live in action. That's all you got to do. Once again, we're right here at a critical level. And if we break this lower diamond right here on the S&P, that's 35.25, then we don't have any support until we go lower. And when we take a look here in the back end of the S&P, and we take a look at what that would look like, we can see mathematically that if we break 1 1/2 delta, 35.20 is 36.57 below the market. That math is already calculated before next week happens. So we're going to be watching that level. If we break that and we come down to 3 1/4 delta, which is 85 points even lower, that would be at 34.72, and that's that area of great interest. The one area of 35.33 will be an area. Now, on the resistance, what we're going to be looking at is, does the S&P make it back above 35.81? That's 24.38 points to get there. The math will be 100% right. 1 1/2 delta is going to be right below, and that's going to be the key, and that's going to be 35.94.11. Oh yeah. Now, one thing about it is it possible during the week to come all the way back up to 36.30 in the S&P? Yeah, it is. That's 73 points higher. That would be a Thanksgiving rally in the positive delta range. And if we were to break the highs, we would look at the 4 delta range at 36.55, and that would be the major wall of the resistance right now for the broader S&P in the positive delta bracket mathematically. And 5 deltas up to 36.79 would be 121 points higher, and we would look at that number going in the year in. Now, volatility is going to increase in the 3.5 day update that you're getting. And that diamond daily is lower than the previous diamond, and we couldn't take out the top diamond. That diamond on that daily reversal from this high with the gap down tells the story at the current level of the gap sequence in this diamond structure. Let us not forget one thing. Mathematics will not be wrong. Each line is $12.19 on the S&P as it was. And it is 100% mathematically correct, no matter how you look at it. And there is that math. There is the confirmation red bar. There it is, 12.19 per line. 1, 2, 3 down times 12.19. And then we pop up, and then we came down 1, 2 more on Friday, and you have the diamond in the middle of the red candle closing, and you have the diamond down there on the low and closing down there. And the high was 36.2691, which was a nice high for the options expiration Friday, as it was in that. Now, when we take a look at where we're at right now, we take a look at the S&P at a critical level of 35.25. is going to be that level, and we know it. So we know that the PantherQuant trading app analyzing the S&P 500 index mathematically is never wrong. What our minds may think, or what we hear on TV or some reports that you follow, hey, those are other people's opinion. This is pure mathematics. It doesn't have an opinion. And it will put you on the right side of the market moving in the holiday Thanksgiving 3.5 trading days. And there's a bundle of money to be made. Oh, yes, there is. But if you're not here to get paid with us, then hey, you're left out. Take the free 5-day trial. Change your life. Take accountability. I'm closing below the 10-day moving average on the S&P 500. Mathematics do not lie. PantherQuant trading app. We have several PantherQuant trading apps in the PantherQuant trading app family. Test drive them. Free trial, live market hours.